Hey there, YouTube. There's a train coming through. It's one of the freight trains that go through here. You'll be able to see it because the railroad tracks is just down there, right at that last stop sign. That's the Keanu Railroad. There's two sections. One goes towards Hayes. It branches off at one of those junctions. Yeah, our town has a steam locomotive that has not been used. It's sitting in place at right by the Great Bend Zoo. Someone did it in our yard. Ain't having that. Been having trouble keeping this clean with all the windy weather, and it doesn't help when people do that. Yeah, the railroad that goes through here is able to get into the Acme scrap and iron, so they can load up the freight cars with scrap. I know I heard it. I guess they're busy arranging the cars. Sometimes they can't do it at night. They have to do it during the day when it's not so busy. Well, it's going that way. It's going that way. Well, there's another locomotive right at Granary. That's a shunter. It's I think an Alco one. It's painted red. And our town has an old train station that is pretty much needs to be torn down, but I really want to restore it for people to see. If you go on Wikipedia, type up Great Bend, Kansas train station. Use the passenger trains of the AT Santa Fe or something like that. Used to stop there a long time ago. Yeah, there are two ways to go west. One goes northwest, one just goes straight west. It's right at the street intersection. Before they reach the intersection, there is right that, trying to show you. There used to be one that kind of goes between there, but it was too close to the road, and one time, which my dad told me, a freight car toppled over almost forced to do on a motorcycle. So they tore it up. Well, they started the tracks right before where people are driving on. There used to be tracks right by the park down there on Heiser Street. No. Okay, I better get going. I'll see y'all later. Just give you a little education on some of the railroad tracks that used to be here in the history. Well, I better get going. Bye.